Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley-Davidson Road King. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 14,771 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need DOT-approved front turn signals. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has one key and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket upper fairing, tall handlebars, handguards, grips, an LED headlight and an LED taillight, aftermarket front turn signals, docking hardware, a Bassani 2-to-1 exhaust, an aftermarket stage 1 intake, lower fairing speakers, extended saddlebags, saddlebag lid speakers, a plate bracket, auxiliary saddlebag lights, rear fender fill panels, a saddleman seat, and an accessory mount. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.